Hi everyone, my name is Bogdan Šipetić. I'm a junior verification engineer working for Vtool at the Vtool niche office. Today I will discuss on the topic of Vtool's tips and tricks, a problem I had come across while working on a project at Vtool, and the solution I basically came across at the end to help me fix it. So the problem is, per se you'd have an environment, a verification environment, with multiple agent instances. And I had the need for multiple interface instances. So this could not have been one dedicated interface instance that we usually come across while working verification. And this was a bug. I had problems with it. And this is the solution I Googled, as I said, and found out how to fix it. So how to solve the multiple interface problem. Instead of instancing the interface once, what we would usually do in the top testbench file, we instance the interface multiple times. Inside of a for loop, we instance the appropriate number of slaves we want for our test scenario and for our environment. Using the $formatf macro, we would set the instanced interface in the config DB. We use the config DB for setting the interface with a %0d extension, which would give it an independent name inside of the DB. Now, when we need to get all the interfaces using the config DB get function, again, we would use the exact same for loop we used for setting the interfaces within the test bench, with the same extension of the %0d. And then that interface file that we get, we pop in a queue. And after that, we would push in the queue. And then after we push all of the instances, we would pop them and in the appropriate order, give them to the appropriate agents. That's all from me. Hope this was helpful to you in your debugging.